Hi everybody, Viana here from MapeWoodrow.com. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the front post and back post double crochet. It is a little bit of an advanced stitch, so if you're new to crochet, make sure you click the banner up above to watch my lesson 1 and 2 in how to crochet the basic stitches. You're going to want to learn those first. So, okay, now we're going to, like I said, we're going to learn the front post and back post double crochet, so let's get started. Okay, so to start the front post double crochet, I've made this little piece that's all double crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work my way over a little bit first so I can show you. I'm just going to do some double crochets. Okay, so what is a post? Let's start there. A post is, I call them little columns. So when you look at your double crochet, and also the same thing applies for the treble crochet, it would just be even taller, is these little columns here. So like this. Okay, that is a post. So there are, like I said, the front post and the back post. I'm going to show you both of those here. So for the front post double crochet, like normally for double crochet, we would go like this into those top two little pieces right there. And do like so. For the front post, what you're gonna do is we're gonna stitch, instead of stitching into those top pieces here, we're gonna stitch around this post. So for the front post, you're gonna yarn over, just like you usually do. Let me move that out of the way. Yarn over like you usually do. Then you're going to insert your hook between these two posts and back up around the other side so that it's like that. Then you're going to yarn over as usual, pull through, just like you're doing a double crochet. And like that. And what that will do is that will pull this post forward to make like a ridge. Okay, I'll do it again. You're going to yarn over, insert in this space in between these posts, around the back and up again. And then you're just going to continue with double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through that space, yarn over again, pull through those two, yarn over again, pull through those. So can you see how these are standing up a little bit? They're standing up from the rest of the project. Okay. And on the back side, it's a little harder to see, but they're going in this direction. They're like pulled away. So I'm just going to do a couple regular doubles just to move away from those a little bit. And now I'm going to show you back post. Back post, I find a little more tricky just because of the way you have to move the fabric around. But it's essentially the same thing, just from the back side instead of from, we're not going in from the front, we're gonna go in from the back. Okay, so you're gonna yarn over. So this is our next one right here. And you're gonna insert from the back in that space and go around this way. Yarn over, pull through that space. And again, continue like a regular double crochet. All right, I'll do it again. Yarn over, coming from the back side, around that post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over through those two, yarn over through everything. Okay, and it's a little harder to see, but that will pull them back. Or from the other side, you can see that it pulled them forward. So that is how you do a front post and a back post double crochet. I'm using this right now for a hat project that I'm working on for a winter hat. That I'm just doing the front post double crochet for this project. And on the hat, I do it every several stitches, and you will see it will make a ridge every so often around the hat. It gives it a really nice detail and texture. So to see that project, you can click the link that's above. And yeah, that's how you do those stitches. So happy crocheting.